Okay guys, so I'm in the military vehicles section. I was having a look around. So there's also a couple of vehicles right here. Also a helicopter. It's pretty nifty. Pretty nifty piece of technology, I've got to say. So this is an APC with a Browning type machine gun. So yeah. So yeah, there's this militarized vehicle over here, which is called the Carl Lyson 4x4 Dimera Ferret Mark 1, which could have been used for troop transport. Could be used for troop transport. And here we go, the another military tank. I'm just going to zoom in so you can get a glimpse in there. So yeah, this is have a look in this helicopter. Pretty nifty. Okay, this is an armored car with a machine gun. I'm going to do a selfie so you can get in behind. So you can get in behind.